Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this smartphone. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store. Then you need to click on this button. Come on, Play Store. Okay, now you need to click on this button with three lines and tap on those two dots at the top right corner of your app. Following that, select split screen and click on the other app, like Settings. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and choose Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!